Hi, it's Claire here. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I will talk about our new app, Godox Flash. Maybe it is quite familiar to you because it's a brand new version of Godox Photo. We have made a new update about it, so now let's see how it works. When it comes to the real shooting scene, photographers need lots of work on all kinds of machines and tools, especially about the lights. Also, we are all aware that only to control the lights as perfectly as possible can we make a perfect picture. Godox always aims for high efficiency and great simplicity. Clearly, that is what Godox Flash is for. On work occasions, sometimes we need some special camera angles to shoot pictures. It's hard for you to operate the flash trigger, or you need to stand beside the computer to handle the shooting. At this point, Godox Flash will be your best partner. It's super convenient and reduces unnecessary operations, which helps you to shoot freely. Please note that Godox Flash is to be used with X2 trigger or X Pro the second generation for controlling the lights. First, let's see the app interface and give a glance at the basic functions. With an intuitive user interface and simple operations, it's an absolutely user-friendly control app. If you want to use the app, first open Bluetooth of X2 trigger or X Pro the second generation and tap the Connect button on the app. On the device interface, we can see it's searching for flash triggers. We choose its IP and enter the default password 60, and the phone and the flash trigger are connected. Only the first time need you to do this. It will be simple for your further use. Click to add a light group. Up to 16 groups can be set. In each group, you can choose at least one light as a group. Godox Flash supports abundant flash systems. You can find whatever lights you like, no matter what types, functions, or power you need. There are studio flash, outdoor flash, and camera flash for you to choose from. You can make any combinations you like. Mix your groups and then apply them. After we set the groups up, click the plus and minus buttons in the middle area. Then the settings of whole groups will be changed. This step has a good advantage in that you can change the data under the original light ratio, which supports the shooting work under your plan. If you want to change the parameter of a single group, you can click the small plus and minus buttons for each group, or you can slide the screen left or right. There are some different buttons on top, like the modeling light and beep. Press them and you can control modeling light and beep of the whole light groups. Tap Multi and enter the interface. You can choose the lights to adjust their settings under multi-mode, while the original settings for normal shoot won't be changed. Then exit Multi and back to the front work program. Press Standby, all groups stand in 1 second. Then we give a long press on the screen to back to work mode. What's more, you can choose a single group to stand by. Yes, you can use Godox Flash to control the whole light groups at the same time, or single group, which can reduce workflow, save time, and improve work efficiency. Speaking to the efficiency, there is a function for the real-time transmission as well as data cloud share, which can be used either for quickly restoring data or setting up the light immediately. We can tap Export and then give a picture of scene. Next time, you can import the settings for the second use, or you can choose the Share button. The QR code shows up and others can scan it. Download scenic data and continue to work. Alright, Godox Flash now is available both from the Apple Store and Android market. You can download it now and have fun with it. Hope this video can help you. Bye bye, see you next time.